Let's practice using coordinate geometry. Plot and connect the points A, B, C, and find the area of the triangle it forms. So in order to be able to find the area of the triangle, first thing you need to do is you need to set up a coordinate grid. So I have the 4 different quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice that they're going counterclockwise. In quadrant 1, x is positive and so is y. Quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive. Quadrant 3, x is negative and y is negative. And quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Remember, if you look at this as a number line, to the right of x is positive from 0, to the left of 0 is negative. Same thing going vertically, from 0 above is going positive for y, from 0 below is going negative for y. So I'm going to take the value of a, which is -2. So x is -2 and y is 3, positive 3. So x is negative. I'm going this way. I'm going to go over to -2 and 3 would go up to 3. So that means this is going to be the point A. Point B is -2. So x is positive. So I'm going to go this way for x. +2, y is -2. I'm going to come down. This is point B. And then point C is -2, -2. So -2 for x and -2 for y. This will be point C. And now I want to connect A to B, B to C, and C back up to A. So I have a right triangle. Now, in order to be able to find the area of this, I have to say, well, line segment BC, I need to find that, and I need to find line segment AC. So this is going to be the base of my triangle. This will be the height of my triangle. So from B to letter C, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So that means this has a length of 4. So that means base is 4. So area equals 4 times my height. I'm going to start from here, -2, and go up to +3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that the height here is 5 units. So 4 times 5 divided by 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the area of this triangle is 10 units squared. 10 units squared. That's using a quadrant, 4 quadrants, in order to be able to find the area of the triangle after you plot for the 3 points. Plot and connect the points A, B, C, and D. Then find the perimeter of the rectangle A, B, C, D. So we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to be looking at the perimeter of a rectangle. Remember, perimeter goes around something. So the first thing we need to do is plot the points first. So remember, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, 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 positive. So point A is going to be -4 for x, +2 for y. So -4 for x, +2 for y. That will be point A. Point B is -2 for x and +2 for y. Negative and positive is here. That's point B. Point C is -2 for x and -3 for y. -2 and -3. That is point C. Point D is -4 for x and -3 for y. -4, -3. All right, so then I'm just going to straight down connect here. Ooh, that was a little crazy. That's what happens when you draw straight freehand, right? Okay, so now I have to figure out what my lengths are. Remember, if this is a rectangle, I know mine doesn't really look like a rectangle there, but it is. these are going to be parallel and these are going to be parallel. So whatever I have as a dimension here, I will have as a dimension here. Same thing here. Whatever I have as a dimension here, I will have as a dimension here. So I only have to really find for 2 dimensions. So to go from here, straight B, straight down to C, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has a length of 5. Remember, area of a rectangle is length times width. So my length is 5. That's the same thing over here. Oh, you know what I just did? I went straight into solving for area instead of perimeter. Good thing I checked that. Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. So I'm going to have 2 lengths of 5. And I'm going to have 2 widths. My widths are going to be from 4 to 3 and 3 to 2. That's 2 spaces. And then I'm going to have, remember, 2 sets of them. That's why I'm multiplying by 2. So my length and width together is 7, and 2 groups of them is 14. So my perimeter would be, if I counted them out, 5 and 5 is 10, 2 and 2 is 4, and 10 plus 4 is 14. In this situation, I could also find for the area as well. So remember, if you're finding for perimeter, you're looking for a rectangle, 2 sets of lengths that are the same, 2 sets of widths that are the same, because this is for a rectangle. Same thing would be for a square if you needed to do a square. Good luck.